Josefa Yanes Escoda, also known as Pepa, was born on September 20, 1898 in Dingras, Ilocos Norte. Josefa was a suffragist, social worker, World War II hero, and prominent Filipino citizen. She is most well known by founding the Girl Scout of the Philippines and advocating for women's suffrage. After completing her education in Dingras for elementary school and Lawag for high school, Josefa decided to further her education in Manila.